Hello and welcome back. If you are new here, I am Zero the Painter. Today we have a drawing challenge. Today I will trade in my paintbrush for color pencils. Let's try drawing a tiger using only 6 colored pencils: black, gray, blue, yellow, orange, and pink. Choosing the starting color is easy. Let's begin with the blue pencil for the eyes, which sets the perspective for the rest of the piece. The eyes are drawn in blue, outlined in gray, and the pupils are added in black to make them pop. Next, grab the orange pencil. Use it to color parts under the eyes, the sides of the muzzle, bits of the cheeks, the top of the head, and a little on the ears. Now take out the yellow pencil. This is where less becomes more. Leave some spots white to act as a 7th color. Fill in the top of the muzzle, the top of the head, and a little on the cheeks. Then use orange to shade and blend on top of the yellow. Up next is pink. Color the nose and use pink to shade a few spots on top of the yellow. Finally, it's time for the black pencil. This is where shading and definition come in. Build up the shadows on the muzzle, starting on the right and moving to the left. Add some stripes to the cheeks. Finish the black around the eyes and the right cheek, then start shading under the chin. Here, less becomes more again, as the white paper acts as the 7th color. Next, add more stripes. Finish the ear, add more forehead stripes, and move over to the other side. Add a few more stripes and dots between the eyes. Then finish the left ear. With the drawing complete, shade the background to make the tiger stand out a little more. And that's a tiger using only 6 colored pencils. It turned out pretty nice. Give this a try yourself. All it takes is 6 pencils and a piece of paper. Remember, when drawing, relax, take your time, and if you think you messed up, just start over. That's the best part of drawing. You can always start again. Hope you learned something. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please click like and subscribe. And if you want to see more, just click on the playlist.